Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you are having a beautiful, beautiful Friday morning. And listen, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you find anything about this video that you do like, hit that like button. Yeah. But anyway, guys, it is a cool 43 degrees. Yeah. But the temperature doesn't bother me that much. It is the wind, y'all. It's the wind that is just goes through your body. Yeah, but today, guys, I want to bring you all along with me. So we're going to go over to Mr. George's place, and I'm going to pick up some garlic. Yeah. So what you're looking at here, this is my garbanzo beans. Yeah. There's some here, and here's some here. Now, one of my subscribers asked me about these garbanzo beans. They also are called chickpeas. Yeah, so I picked them up from Mr. George's place, and yeah, they're doing good. They're doing good. Yeah, so I'm going to share with you all some things I'm going to be doing coming up on the channel. So in this very first week of November, today is November 1. So in the first week of November, I will be sharing with you all the knowledge that I found out from LSU Ag Center about this tree. And this is an olive tree. So I have learned a lot about the olive tree and how to grow it here in Louisiana and what I can expect from it. Yeah. But it is doing great. She is looking really good here. This chilly Friday morning. So a wonderful friend here in my neighborhood, he gave me this cutting of this rose bush. And yep, that's what she's doing this morning. So this is my Jerome rose bush. Yeah. Alright guys, let's go to Mr. George. And yep, there they are. My two little cuties waiting. But they've eaten this morning. Alright guys. Let me give them something. At Mr. George, please. So I
don't mean to cause you no trouble. I'm sorry.
Mr. George said he didn't mean to cause me no trouble, but he do every time. But this is some Louisiana Gold Honey Farm. This raw and local honey. Yeah.
Now that's the one with the cone in it, yeah?
Yeah, I see that. It have the cone in it.
Now these over here, the one don't have the cone.
All right.
They bottling some of that today for me with that cone in it. That's the last one till January now.
Oh yeah, and this is from this is in Plaquemine Parish. Orange Blossom Honey, 100% Louisiana pure. All right, George.
You support my business. I like that.
You like that, George?
Yeah, I get to start loving you better now, man.
Hey. That's all right. All right. Boy. Chanel love me. It's all good.
Well, look. Long as you on you, look, you got a man.
I know. That's right.
You ain't gotta tell me nothing.
That's right.
I know when to bring my behind in that.
That's right. As long as Chanel love me, all is good.
Look, we good. I ain't got nothing to tell you. You believe that? I mean that.
Yeah.
You ain't got no problem with me.
Yeah. So check this out. This is Spring Hill Muscadine jelly. This is some jelly and some Mayhaw jelly. Oh, that's cool, George.
All that growing the wild line. All that wild berries.
There's wild berries?
Yeah. They used to call them used to be like dewberries and what's the other one they used to say? Mulberries.
Mulberries?
Well, those in the same family, but they kind of look like a cranberry, but they're real sweet. Yeah. They're not taught like a cranberry. So we take them and have them cook them down. I grow them.
Yeah.
And they cook them down and they make a preserve with them. Boy, that's good.
It is good. I love it.
Yeah, my Chanel back there glazed her turkey with that. In the ham?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It's good? I'm gonna get one of these Creole girls. It's a nice Creole girl here. I'm gonna get her and bring her home and have her for lunch today. Yeah.
What y'all doing this morning?
That's Mr. George, y'all.
Good morning. How y'all doing?
Always fussing at me.
Y'all gotta fuck. That's the only way people learn. Most people, you try to teach them the right way, they don't listen.
Okay.
That's the way my daddy was. He did this 73 years, so I'm gonna tell you, I had to learn it that way. So I'm sorry, I don't want to offend nobody, but I like things done right. That's why I do it myself.
Yeah, George. Yeah. So let's go ahead and see.
Yeah, come on.
George, have some
satsumas they picked yesterday over there.
George, did you grow these bananas?
Yes, ma'am. I got plenty of them right now. Oh, y'all see the bananas on them trees, the burrows.
Really?
Y'all see that?
Really?
They call that a burrow.
A what?
A burrow. B-U-R-R-O. Burrow.
A burrow. Okay.
Yeah, they're all natural. No preservatives. You don't even have to gas them. Most people they cook them or they fry them.
Yeah.
A lot of Mexican people take them and they make bread with that.
Oh yeah?
Yes, ma'am. They're a little sweeter than the plant. But a lot of people love them because they're natural. They don't have to gas them right.
Right.
And when you ain't got to
what you mean gas them, Mr. George?
Well, Chiquita bananas and Dole bananas and all them other bananas, they pick them when they're green and they put them in gas rooms and gas them and force them to turn yellow.
Oh.
See, if you got to force something to do something, that ain't good.
No, and that's not natural.
The gas that they're using to make that, well,
yeah.
Where you think it's going at?
Yeah. Yeah.
What you pay for?
That's true. No gas.
That's why I stopped eating bananas. If you're gonna eat them, buy Dole. Dole don't use gas; they use hot water. Okay. They hot water chill their rooms and force them yellow, but you got to do that because if not, they'll stay green and then they'll bruise. They'll go bad before they ripe.
Okay.
So that's why they do that.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. George.
Yeah, well, thank you for your time, baby. You come here every Friday. That's 3 Fridays in a row. I might have to give you a raise, take you over 6-foot line and put you on the 10-foot. I'm gonna have to give her.
What you told her? Listen to that, yo.
I told him you video me all the time.
Yes. So, why don't you say hello to everybody,
Hello,
Chanel?
everyone.
Yeah, it's cold, huh, Chanel?
I don't like cold weather. That's why I live in the South.
What, George?
It's chilly and Gentilly.
Yeah, it's chilly and
I
Gentilly.
do not like this cold weather.
I don't either.
2 jackets.
I don't either.
And I'm still cold.
Yeah. This is my lunch here. Well, these fruits is my lunch.
That's why you stay so sexy.
Oh, listen at him. He just don't stop it, huh?
Long time, sister.
Huh?
I said you're gonna be with us a long time.
Yeah, baby.
Because you eat healthy.
Yes. Uh-oh. So, all right, guys, I wanted to also show you, this is also what I picked up from Mr. George. And this is, these purple ones are Italian garlic. And this is an elephant garlic. And I picked this up for my friend Dan over at home in the 6th. And Dan, I'm going to be mailing these out to you probably on Monday. Yeah. But anyway, there is your Italian garlic, my friend. Yes. So, all right, guys. I was watching the Grow Family Network. They're my babies. So, I hit $2 Generals. And this is what I purchased. So, I really like these a lot. Kind of go with the buckets I purchased earlier. But there was only 2 of them. So, I got them. Got some bird feeders. Some doves. More little pots. Oh, this is a cup. Yeah, this is a cup. Farmer's Market. And yeah, just pots and stuff, you know. I love that. That's for bees. More little pots. That is bird houses. Them. And these little hangers you just put in your garden. I love those. Cool little bird house. in here for my hanging baskets and some seed starters. So of course this is one here, 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 and there. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. I just finished eating lunch. And there's more little seed starters. And for all of this you're looking at, I paid $9.50. So I'm so cool with it. I'm just cool with it. I do have some other things, but they are not for me. I purchased them for someone else. So yeah, I ain't gonna show they stuff. But anyway, guys, this is my Dollar General haul. Yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful day. I thank you all so much for hanging out with me. Now, guys, I'm gonna finish eating because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Later, y'all.